Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, May 27, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, May 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 27, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, May 27, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for May 27, 2025, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, May 27, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.